Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this creepy look and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. To create this outfit for the hair, you can choose this hairstyle, this hair, and then you're going to color it like this, and then combine it with this hair, make it red, and this bang, make it this color, and also this bang, make it this color, and then this short hair, make it this color. And then you're going to put on this mask, and you're going to apply this pattern for the mask and also for the eye mask. Apply the same pattern. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to select this top, and I'm going to apply this pattern, and then I'm going to put on the sleeves. We're going to apply the same pattern, and then I'm going to choose this butterfly top, and I'm going to make it classic and make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the next area. I'm going to put on the skirt, make it red. Okay, and then I'm going to go to wait, before I go to the dressing room, I'm going to put on the skirt. Sorry, I forgot. And I'm going to go to the dressing room. Then we're going to go to the cards item, and I'm gonna select this dress, and we're going to remove the chains and apply this pattern for the first selection until the third selection. And I'm going to put on this shirt. Wait, this one guys. I'm going to make it smooth, and then I'm going to make it red. Then put on this dress, choose the go for, and you're going to color it with this red color. And go to this menu, put on this skirt, and apply this pattern for the first selection, second selection, and third selection. And for the fourth selection and also the fifth selection, make it this red color. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this top as well, make it toggle 2, and then I'm going to make it red. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area. We're going to put on this knife, and then we're going to make it high and make it this pattern for the second selection to create bloody effect. Okay, it's done guys, and finally you will have this creepy horror look and dress to impress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.